Do you ever look in the mirror and feel like you're not enough? Like no matter what you do, you'll never be worthy, never be lovable? Maybe you criticize yourself endlessly, or you feel like a failure even when you accomplish something. If this resonates with you, I want you to know you're not alone. I'm Anjana, and welcome back to my channel, Aroha. Self-hatred doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It's usually the result of deep unhealed wounds. It could stem from childhood experiences, overly critical parents who made you feel like love was conditional. Or maybe it's an array of bad relationships where you were undervalued or mistreated. Trauma, rejection, bullying, societal expectations, all of these can plant the belief that you're not enough. And when this belief stays with you for years, it becomes your reality. You start picking apart everything about yourself, your body, your choices, your past. You replay every mistake in your mind, making yourself the villain in your own story. You compare yourself to others and feel like you're always falling short. And the worst part? You believe that this is just who you are. Self-hatred is not who you are. It's something you've learned. And that means it can be unlearned completely. You can completely uproot self-hatred out of your system. So how do you heal? How do you get that self-hatred out of you? Number 1, journaling. That is, rewrite your inner story. Write down every self-critical thought you have. Where does it come from? Is it really your voice? Or is it something you were told as a child? Journaling helps you bring subconscious belief to the surface, and once you see them, you can start changing them. Second method is meditation. Quiet that noise within you. The constant inner criticism, that's not you. It's just a voice your mind has held on to. Meditation helps you separate from it. When you sit in stillness, you start seeing yourself beyond the noise, beyond the negative thoughts. You realize you're not your past. Number 3, therapy. Unpacking the past. Sometimes self-hatred is deeply tied to trauma. If you feel stuck, therapy can help you process those wounds, release shame, and rewrite how you see yourself. 4, sleep and exercise. That is healing your body. You may not realize this, but your body and mind are connected. Chronic self-hatred can be intensified by lack of sleep, poor nutrition, and not moving your body. Regular exercise releases endorphins, your brain's natural mood boosters, and quality sleep helps regulate your emotions. Number 5, a regular routine. Stability is a key here. Chaos fuels self-doubt. A simple, intentional daily routine, waking up early, moving your body, eating well, doing something creative regularly, all these ground you. The more stability you create, the safer your mind feels. 6th method is distancing toxic people. That is, protect your energy. If you're surrounded by people who criticize, belittle, or drain you, your healing will always feel like an uphill battle. Set boundaries. Walk away when needed. The more you remove toxic energy, the more space you create for self-love. Number 7, daily affirmations. Reprogramming your mind. Stand in front of a mirror and tell yourself, I'm enough. I'm worthy of love. I choose to treat myself with kindness. It may feel unnatural at first, but repetition rewires the subconscious. Over time, you start believing it. And lastly, number 8, spending time in nature. That is a reset for the soul. Nature is one of the most powerful healers. Go for a walk, sit under a tree, listen to the birds. The world moves effortlessly in harmony, and so can you. Self-hatred was never yours to begin with. It was something placed on you by your conditioning, by the people around you, by your society. And now you have the power to let it go. Healing isn't about becoming someone new completely. It's about returning to who you always were before the world made you doubt yourself. You deserve to love yourself. You deserve peace. And step by step, you will get there. Nothing happens overnight, remember that. Share your thoughts in the comments. Also, your likes, shares, and comments will help reaching this video to a larger audience who really need some inspiration to move forward in life. And if you're new here, subscribe to this loving community of individuals who are on the journey of peace, joy, and growth. And I'm hoping that I'll see you next in this video. Thank you. Peace.